In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome email trick that I use to sell more online courses, coaching, or really anything sold via email. By the way, if you like free videos that help you grow your business and make you more money, subscribe, because I keep releasing videos that help you grow your business and make more money, and you won't know about them if you don't subscribe. Hey everybody, I'm Dan Henry, founder of 𝐃𝐚𝐧.com and author of Digital Millionaire Secrets. Welcome to my channel. All right, so here's the issue. We sit here and craft these amazing emails and we write stories and we really try to convince our prospects to go and click and view our content, view our webinars, view our sales videos, view our free content, view our sales pages, and buy our stuff. But if they don't open the email, they never see it. And that is so frustrating. How do we get email open rates up? Well, I'm going to show you. Do you currently use email to sell your products and services? Let me know in the comments below if you do. All right, so the trick I'm about to show you is exactly how I doubled open rates for the same emails in my email marketing sequence. Let me hop into Active Campaign right now and show you exactly how I do this. All right, so what you're looking at right here, just to give you context, is a nurture sequence in one of our funnels that we sell our products and services. So to give you full context on this, what happens is somebody will watch a webinar of mine, which is like a 60-minute presentation where I explain, how to achieve a certain goal. And I give really good free advice. And then at the end of that video, I say, hey, if you'd like help from my company on how to implement this and on how to do this, then book a call, right? Go ahead and book a call to speak with our team. They get on a phone call and we see if we're a good fit to help them. And if so, we offer them the program. And that's how we make money with this particular funnel or sales sequence. Now, this particular sequence right here is if they watch the webinar and they do not book a call, okay? So they've watched the webinar, they do not book a call. We're going to keep sending them emails with value, with testimonials, case studies from our clients, etc. And each time we're going to say, hey, now would you like to book a call? Now would you like to? And eventually people, they warm up and they learn things and they get inspired and eventually they decide to book a call. And so normally the sequence looks like this. Okay, we send them an email, we wait a day. We send them an email, we wait a day. We send them an email, we wait a day. They get an email a day. And these are all these emails. And this is all awesome stuff and it's great. Okay, now take a look at this first email. This right here is a case study of one of my students. And I'll hit view reports. And let me hit that again. Okay, so this is a case study. Now look at this. It has under an 8% open rate. Okay. Which is right here, 7.95%. Not so good. And when I noticed this, I was like, this is such a great email, because if you look at it, it's an interview I do with one of my students who made $120,000 a month starting with me from scratch. So he starts from me with scratch. We help him build out his online course, and he hits over $1 million and $120,000 a month in revenue after not even 2 years, okay? It was like a year and a half or a year and a quarter, whatever. So I think this is like a really good email, because when you click on this and you go to it, it has it just has really good information in it. We've booked a lot of calls from people who see this because they see it and they go, wow, this is amazing. I want to work with Dan. So this is a really good, important email that I want people to see. And 8% is just not going to cut it, right? So what I do here is I go back. Let me show you the new version of this email that was able to, and if I click, if you see this right here, and I'll show you how to set this up in a second, but this right here, this email on the right is the same exact email. It simply has a different subject line. So if I put view reports here, you'll notice 15% open rate, 15%, okay? That's almost double the open rate, which means twice the amount of people get to see this email. So let me quickly show you, the difference. So the subject line of this is how to hit 7 figures with an online course. The original subject line was case study, how Andy hit 7 figures with his online course. So for whatever reason, more people are opening the message of me just saying how to hit 7 figures with your online course versus, case study, how Andy hit 7 figures and all that jazz. So we started running the split test a few days ago, already doubled, and we're going to keep obviously letting people run in to get a true picture of the open rate. But I've done this multiple times and I always end up getting a better result. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do this. So let's just go in the middle here. Let's say this email right here, you're not happy with the rate. So you go above it in ActiveCampaign, you click this little plus button and you go here where it says split. Conditions and workflow split. You hit split and you select even split. And then it'll say, when should the split test conclude? And you put never split indefinitely, okay? I just do that so I can over time check it out and I'll just decide when I feel that it's ready and I can make a decision of which one I want. So then I just hit apply. And so now half of the people will go to this email and half of the people will go over here. So right here, I want to hit the plus button and I want to hit send an email and I want to find this email. So this one is Masterclass 1, how to sell your course idea. So I click here and I find Masterclass 1, how to sell your course idea. Okay. And then I hit, this is very important, I hit copy and edit. I don't hit edit, I hit copy and edit. So I click that and now I create this email and it'll automatically log in here where I can go to the subject line, which is free masterclass, how to start selling your online course idea. So, and actually I'll start this split test. So right now I'm just going to delete the free masterclass part and I'm going to go with how to start selling your online course idea, but I'm going to do not cap. I'm going to say how to start selling your online course idea. And then I'm just going to hit close and I'm going to hit next and I'm going to hit finish. And now if I scroll down, all I want to do is I want to hit this plus button here and I want to hit conditions and workflow, click go to, grab this green thingy right here and pop it right there. So now what happens is when people get to this part, half of them go to this email and half of them go to this email. And when they're done with this email, they go right into the next queue and they just continue on. Now, when you do a broadcast and ActiveCampaign, you're actually able to do a split test for like a certain amount of contacts, and then it will automatically choose the best one after like say 500 contacts, and then like let's say you're sending it to 10,000 people, right? You could do a split test of the first 1,000 contacts, and whatever wins gets sent to the rest of the 9,000. But this is not a broadcast. This is an automated email sequence, and it would be really nice if at some point we had an option here to automatically do a split test. And if there is one, I don't know it, but I don't see any options here from ActiveCampaign to do a split test within an actual automated sequence, but that's okay because I can do it manually this way. And as well, I also have more control. Sometimes when you do built-in split tests in these email softwares, you don't really get to control it as much as you'd like to. So with here, I have ultimate control. I can even split this into different ones over here. I could test multiple subject lines at the same time, and I really have control when I do it manually like this. Okay, so now when you decided which one you want, all you really have to do here is, let's say it's this one. Okay, let's say this one was the winner. You could just hit delete action and hit keep path A, which is this. You always want to keep path A because path A has the rest of the emails, and you don't want to accidentally delete all those emails. So you'd hit keep path A. Now, if you decide that it's this one, then all you would have to do is grab this one and drag it over here, drop it in, okay? And then you would simply delete the email above it, the old one, then hit delete, and then hit keep path A, and you're good to go. If you're not a master email marketer, then I would highly recommend you have some guidance on this, which is why like my company teaches this and helps our clients and our students do this. We give them pre-made templates like this. So instead of worrying about how to be a master email marketer, you worry more about your message and selling your products, and you let us be the one to deal with this. So anyway, that is a really awesome trick right there on how to increase your open rates. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm always uploading stuff like this. As well, I'll leave some resources in the description below. For one, I'll show you where you can get my book, Digital Millionaire Secrets, for free. And I'll also give you a link to an awesome couple of trainings we have, additional trainings. We have a training on how to build a profitable online course business, and some other cool stuff as well. If you want some help with this and you're like, all right, I want to trust a company that has, not only sold millions of dollars of their own products, but has helped sell tens of millions of dollars of their clients' products, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can book a call with my team. We'll take a look at what you got going on. We'll take a look at your business, what you're trying to sell, or if it's just a business idea at this point, we'll take a look at that and we'll see if we can fix it. We'll see if we can help you grow. We'll see if we can increase your sales or help you start your business off the right way. We do give all of our clients pre-made funnels, pre-made email templates. We do all the tech work and we let you focus on your message and selling your product and not so much on being a tech or marketing guru or wizard or whatever. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos. Subscribe. Talk to you soon.